To get some of the stock ideas as well, we are being joined by Soumil Mehta, Head of Alternative Research at Mirae Asset Share Khan, joining us on the show. Hi Soumil, morning. Good to be speaking with you. Firstly, your take on the index, because we have seen good moves rather yesterday, while India VIX is seen to be cooling off from those levels, almost a 2% decline over there. What do you make of the markets, and what is the strategy for today?
Hi, good morning. Good morning to everyone. Markets have been, making high tops, high bottom now very recently. Has taken support at 40 daily moving average. Very crucial supports around 24,800, 24,900 levels. So now those levels will become very crucial to watch out for. Yesterday, the markets closed about 20 daily moving average, which is a great sign in the very short term. Now I'm expecting markets to turn around and start the rally on the upside in the very short term. In the medium term outlook, it was always up. Weekly, monthly charts were always high top, high bottom. The trend in the medium to long term is up. But in the very short term, now it is reversing back to positive side, and the targets in the short term would be 25,600 and 25,900. So these are the two levels to watch out for as targets. On the downside, 24,800 and 24,700 would be very crucial to watch out for. This will be like a stop loss on in the markets, but overall, I think now the trend will remain positive. Bank Nifty again, I'm expecting now Bank Nifty to outperform because it has consolidated in a very tight range between 56,500 and 57,300. This range, I'm expecting it to break on the upside, and the target should be 58,200. So these are my targets for Bank Nifty in the short term. Medium term outlook definitely much higher, but right now we should aim for short term targets. Stock specific actions would be very important to watch out for. Private banks like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank are looking really good. I'll be expecting SBI to also join the positive rally, but it's lagging a little bit. I'll be expecting it to join.
Sure, so that's the take on the market construct. But Soumil, also help us understand the kind of move we've seen on India VIX. Now we're sub the 11 mark, and the cool off that we've seen from the peak has been much too soon, much too fast, if we could put it that way. What's your take on India VIX, and where could we bottom out?
I think we are very close to bottoming out. It is almost 10 point something, 1050 or something. We are almost there. The all-time lows are around, the normal levels on the downside are 10, 9, and on the upside, the normal levels would be 14 and 15. Anything below 9 for India VIX is not normal. Anything above 15 on the upside is not normal. Anything above 15 is always a little uncertain, fear in the market. That's what it indicates. Below 9, it indicates that nothing is happening. Basically, it's very flat. So I'll be expecting India VIX to bottom out here and then start moving on the upside, but stay around 13, 14 levels.
Market setup as well as which way the VIX is headed. But Soumil, what about individual stock ideas? What would you recommend for our viewers?
It's very stock specific. Autos were doing really good. Some of the stocks in the oil and gas were doing really good. First one I have is Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland has a flag pattern formed. In the very short term, I'm looking for a target of 132. The momentum indicator has given a fresh buy signal because it has taken support at 20 daily moving average, and it has started the positive momentum. The stop loss would be 122 for Ashok Leyland. The second stock is IOC. IOC, same pattern, flag pattern on the daily charts, taking support at 20 daily moving average, positive momentum shown yesterday. Great setup for a short-term trade, stop loss should be very tight here because there are a few mixed bag in oil and gas. So stop loss should be very tight here. Stop loss is 149 for IOC and the target should be 158, 160 levels.